If you are looking for a tasty vegan rendang that mimics the taste of chicken rendang, this is the closest that you can get with a meat-free option. A rendang dish is an almost dry curry full of aromatic spices and flavors. It is usually prepared with chicken or beef and is served during festive occasions. But we are going to tweak the recipe to produce an authentic plant-based option. Join me in my kitchen as I show you how to make the tastiest vegan rendang step by step without omitting any essential ingredients to get the authentic taste of chicken rendang. First, we will prepare the most important spice paste for our rendang. This spice paste will determine how tasty our rendang will be. Cut 6 dried chilies and place in a bowl. I'm using a combination of less spicy, crinkled dried chilies and Kashmiri dried chilies for a less spicy flavor but giving a good red color to our paste. Pour hot water over the dried chilies. Cover and leave aside for 10 minutes for the chilies to soften. Meanwhile, we will prepare the other ingredients for the spice paste. We have 2 big onions, 3 small onions, 2-inch piece ginger, 2-inch piece galangal, 2-inch piece fresh turmeric, and 2 fresh red chilies. We also have 4 cloves garlic and 4 stalks lemongrass. Use only the bottom 4 to 5 inches of the lemongrass. Also add 4 to 5 candle nuts. Roughly slice all these ingredients as we are going to grind them fine. Place all these ingredients in a blender jar. Add about 1 cup water and blend until a fine paste is obtained. Next, rinse the dried chilies 2 to 3 times to remove some of the seeds. Then place the dried chilies in the blender jar. Pour half cup water and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Blend until a fine paste is obtained. Mix this paste with the earlier spice paste. Next, we will prepare the veggie chicken for our rendang. I'm using 450 grams of roasted veggie chicken, and this portion should suffice for a family of 4 to 5. The main ingredient in this veggie chicken is soya bean. This is a frozen product and I have thawed this for about 30 minutes. As we can see, the veggie chicken is in fact already roasted, but we will pre-fry it quickly to produce a better texture and taste. For this, we will slice the veggie chicken into 2 pieces each. Then add half teaspoon salt. Be cautious about adding salt as the product already contains salt. Also add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a good mix and set aside to marinate for at least 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare turmeric leaves to give extra aroma in our rendang. Cut the middle part of the turmeric leaves, then shred finely the leafy part. Next, get 4 to 5 kaffir lime leaves. Shred the leaves finely too. Set them aside as they will be needed only towards the end of our cooking. Get 4 to 5 stalks of lemongrass and lightly bruise the end part. We will also prepare some toasted coconut paste, a very important ingredient for our rendang. The unique taste of rendang is enhanced by properly toasted coconut. We will pan fry 2 cups of grated or shredded coconut. Keep stirring on medium heat until the coconut turns into a dark brown color. Using a non-stick pan or cast iron pan will be helpful to toast the coconut without leaving hard to remove stains on your pan. This is the color we need. Cool it and then grind in a dry grinder until a fine paste is obtained. This paste can be prepared days in advance and refrigerated to save time. Ready-made coconut paste, if available, can also be used. Next, we will fry the marinated chicken pieces. Heat up about half cup of oil. Add veggie chicken pieces in 2 batches and pan fry for only 2 to 3 minutes until crispy and golden brown. Flip over a few times to ensure even cooking. Do not fry too long as the texture may become hard or chewy. Searing the outer layer in medium hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes is sufficient. Remove from the oil and drain on paper towels. In the same oil, we can continue preparing the gravy for our rendang. First, saute some dry spices. 2-inch piece cinnamon, 2 star anise, 4 cloves, and 4 to 5 cardamoms. Also add 4 lightly bruised lemongrass. Once the spices are fragrant, add the blended spice paste. Cook over medium-low heat for 10 to 15 minutes until the paste is thick and oil appears on the top. Now we can add 2.5 cups thick coconut milk and half teaspoon salt. Also add 3 teaspoons coconut sugar and 2 pieces tamarind slice. This helps to balance the spicy taste of the rendang. Bring to boil on medium. Allow to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the gravy thickens. Now add the pre-fried veggie chicken pieces. We are leaving our star ingredient until the last for a good reason. This veggie chicken has already been pre-fried. It needs very little cooking. Stir for another 5 minutes to coat the chicken pieces with the gravy. This is where the magic happens. From a normal curry, we are getting a transformation into the most exotic dish. Add the aromatic toasted coconut that has been ground into a paste. Toss in the fragrant, finely shredded turmeric leaves and kaffir lime leaves. Guys, can you see our plain curry changing into something so mouth-watering? The whole kitchen is now full of the aroma of so much aromatic spices. There's no word to describe the heavenly smell of this dish. At this stage, more salt may be added after tasting the dish. Continue simmering on low heat until an almost dry curry is obtained. A rendang is supposed to be almost dry. A non-stick pan would be helpful to achieve the perfect dryness without burning the spices. And there you have it, the most mouth-watering chicken rendang ever. Time to enjoy it with a meal of rice or even lemang and ketupat. Can you see why a rendang dish is often reserved for special occasions? It is a labor of love to prepare a rendang the traditional way. And we keep it for those special occasions when we need a great centerpiece as family and friends converge at our homes. Thanks for joining me in this culinary journey. If you love this recipe, please like and subscribe. Thanks for your support.